Hi, this is Jim Penrod. I'm the Vice President of Integration and Site Services for Englobal US Inc. ENG is a provider of high-value, multidisciplinary engineering solutions serving the energy industry. ENG offers full-service engineering, fabrication, and automation, along with other value-add services. ENG is one of an elite group of system integrators who can also supply multidiscipline detailed engineering, fabrication, controls engineering and programming, full factory acceptance testing, and process simulation services. We can also provide site startup and commissioning services. In addition to being a Rockwell automation partner, we have a Silver System Integrator endorsement. We offer turnkey and single source solutions and services that few in our industry can supply all together under one umbrella. In addition to our technical capabilities, we are one of the few integrators that offer an all-indoor integration and testing shop. ENG's long-standing collaborative partnership with Rockwell provides customers with confidence in the success of their automation projects. Not only are our customers receiving reliable and innovative products from Rockwell, but those same products are being engineered, integrated, and installed by a world-class systems integrator who consistently provides innovative solutions and successful outcomes. ENG is well known in the markets we have served for 35 plus years with a reputation of excellence in safety and consistent innovation and performance. End users are passionate about safety, timely deliveries, and maintaining budget. ENG excels at all three.